Right, let's go to Avalaunch. Avalaunch is a launchpad platform that have their own decentralized exchange, Trader Joe, where IDOs are hosted before they make it into recently added in places like CoinMarketCap. So sometimes for security tips, like today I got this email that they're hosting a new IDO. Normally you should have clicked to go to their website, but for security reason, I have the list of DEX exchange launchpads platforms, save their links on my notepads so that not to make the mistake of clicking a link that happens to be phishing website. So I have to come here to copy the link which I trusted, except you can memorize the link offered. Then I go to my browser and paste it to be sure I'm going to the direct place to see the information I got from my email, if it's true what I announced there. I know normally for you to participate in this launchpad, you need to log into your MetaMask. So if you don't have MetaMask on your browser, you can download that, log in, and keep your secret phrases and keys secret so nobody can hack into your MetaMask. Security is of importance when dealing crypto. So now once you log in, and you have to install or add the network of Avalaunch, and as you can see, it's already connected. If you look at the MetaMask connection here, you will notice that okay, it's Avalanche network. Here we have Ethereum and Smart Chain, but it's on Avalanche network. So it's connected here. I'm having these balances here. So what I will do next is to check on their sales to see what is happening there. There you will see that they have the list of upcoming sales completed. So they have this Snake City. So you can check the details of Snake City. If something you would like to participate, you go in. I would like to participate because the price of Avax, their token, is cheap now. It's good to play around with it. So just click on it and register your interest that you want to participate. Once I register, they will move one Avax from my wallet as a guarantee that I want to register. I want to participate in it. So this is like assets which you will sell, once the launching is done. And in most cases, once it's newly launched, you can sell for a good price. Not all the tokens, but sometimes some of them are doing good, and some you can keep it and wait. Proceed with registration. I'm a staking customer. He goes in to register my interest, and now they will pick up one Avas as a guarantee. You see, one Avas will be deposited. I will confirm. So this is one out of the other launching pads available. So now I have auto buy enabled because sometimes I might be busy. So I want it to automatically buy my quota. Registration completed. You can view it on, but I don't want to go there. So what I want to do now is I want to go and harvest some of my old assets. So to do that, I have to go back to the sales and scroll down. You see all these ones have ended. This one I participated and I have sold my first portion, but that is not where I'm going to now. I want to go and check my old assets which I have to harvest. Let me start from this fulfill and see. I think this one was 100% collected. My locations, this one I collected. I have claimed my position on this. I will go back and go to second page. Okay, Dages. I should be having something there because I participated in Dages. My allocations is I have collected a lot. So I have the May 2nd, May 9th, May 16th. I have to collect all of this now, all my matured shares. So claim they will all go to my wallet. And click confirm. So I could do the same to the rest which I have holdings and participate. This one will be unlocked in 3 days. So I can go back and I'll go on to check the other because I want to see if I could sell some now. The fiat, all these ones I have also there. Let's check heroes. I think I have something in heroes. So I also have for a month now. I've not come here to collect my dividends on my portions. Okay, let's end this one here. So I want to take you to Trader Joe. Trader Joe, where we shall try to see the current cost of these tokens, if I can swap them now. So I'm claiming my portion. So to do that, just also I have the website paste here so I don't go to the wrong place, but I can type it out myself because I have them saved already on my browser, Trader Joe, because I'm a frequent visitor here. So go to trade, and here I want to know the cost of okay, let me make it so now I could check here. You can see the cost of Avax today. This hit $100 last 3 weeks, but now because of the stock market situation, the price went down. So you see the line of some tokens I have here from Avax. I can exchange it here for USD value. So let's start with let's say IME and see how much this will be. I will click max. See the price now. The price it went down drastically. Let me see. Okay, the price gave us 45. I want to make USDT. So it's 45. So I will not sell it. It doesn't interest me to sell this now. And let's check this ISA maximum of it. Every price is just down now. It give us 1 point something. It's nonsense. I will not sell it. Trader Joe, I think I stake this maximum 151, which is very poor. Also the prices were down. And Ditch, let's check the fiat maximum 1.7 something. So their prices are down. So these are assets you have to hold and leave it for some time. So for you to participate in Avax, you have to stake HUOBI. This, you see, this is called HUOBI. You have to stake HUOBI, and while doing this, I can only come here to check my airdrops, because all these ones I participated, I should have some airdrop waiting for me to collect. This one is both pointed, and let me check this. I think I should have something here. So I have 20 here. Claim. I can claim this. And Dexalot is also an exchange platform created by Avalaunch. Confirm. And I think I should have something in these places. And I collected these ones. 135, yeah, successfully collected. I think successfully claimed. Don't show me, I know. This one successfully claimed. So I did not participate. I have claimed all these ones. So let's move on. So here in Dexalot, I had when I participated, I went and exchanged my token into Avax, and it was a good one. Then here it can take you to the exchange platform and automatically connected to a MetaMask wallet for the exchange. So here I have some Avax here which I exchanged last. Connect my wallet. Accept. MetaMask. I hope this is not showing my body. So you see that I think I have some Avax here. Yeah, I have 3 Avax. So this 3 Avax I converted from the latest token, which happens to be, I think it was DEJ. You know, I put in, I think, 1 Avax and I got 3 Avax on it. So this is Avalaunch, and for you to participate, you need to come here and check the price of Hava. You can stake Hava. The price is down now. It's Hava. So when you buy some quantity here, you go and stake it. You go and stake it into Avalaunch, and once you stake, allocation staking. So once you stake here, you'll be qualified to be able to buy IDOs from Avalaunch. So I have also interest earned for staking this quantity of Hava. Prices of cryptos now are down. It's the best time to buy into all this. I know the amount I used when I staked, but log stake. So I have to compound, add it to my existing to increase the quantity. Scroll up, confirm. So that is for at the moment. There are other Launchpad also belonging to Solanum and Trumpad, Countdown, Soulstar Finance, Lightning Protocol, Pinkcell, BLC Pad. So there are a whole host of them, depending on the one you feel that are profitable. I think Avalaunch is doing good. That's why sometimes I do come back to pick one of few tokens. Then here is the trading robots, grid trading. If you look at this one, let me show you. This trade was opened yesterday. Open. Why are you not responding to me? Okay, let me refresh. Come back to it. While it's refreshing, do not forget to check out the link, my links below if you want to sign up of any of these platforms, like Bybits, BITSGAP, which is this one, the robot trading. At least you can make a minimum of 30% depending on your selected tokens in a month and your investment. The money you have should not be transferred to this place. It should be on your BINANCE account, and you just need to link with the API and it will start to trade. So that is what I did. Even some of my tokens I opened on Royal Q, I can open them up. Like you can see mbox/BNB, and it's even doing better here because the both tokens are moving the same time than USDT pairs. So those are the experiences you can adjust during this process. So when you look at how it's doing here, the detail, you can see in USD value, and it have run for 1 day, 6 hours. You see here I highlighted in blue, just opened yesterday. The profit the bot has made 5.21%, which is about 31 USD, just 1 day earns. And the value is in plus. And when you look at the value in BNB also, it's up in Mbox. Mbox is showing that the BNB price is leaving it behind, but overall you see that is profit accumulated in overall interest and balances. So that's why when you look at it here, you see that both the price of the token are appreciating, and the bought profit is also going up. So those are the things you need to look at. These ones that are out of range is when the movement of the token goes below your price range. For example, let me show you this one now. You see, this one, my range was if you have to go somewhere around 0.08, but now it have gone down to 0.07. So it bought you a bunch of tokens, which if I close this now, I'm losing nothing. Only that you will have these tokens in your spot wallet. So when the price appreciates, it can cover all these losses you see here, this very depreciation you see here. But this, the bot have made you profits even when the price is going up and down. It keep buying and selling. But the price, the value of the token, the base currency is down, UST. Because I noticed that today, I read in this news that today let me show you. Today, the Terra's Lego team quits. You know, the Lego team quits. That means the market will be shaky a little bit because of this news you see here now. So it's affecting UST because Terra is a block part of the UST token. So the prices are shaking. In fact, I just sell off the Terra I have in my Binance wallet because I don't want to see what is going on there until I feel like I can get in. Then you can, because I know it's gonna cancel one more extra zero in the current price because of this other news coming up now. So this is it for today. I think let me not go into others to avoid making this video last more than 10 minutes. Thank you, and remember, as you also use my tokens, my links when signing up to any of these. And also do not forget Royal Q is also powering. If you going for Royal Q, I would advise you open maybe one or two cryptos there. Don't over open because that's what makes people get stuck. So when you choose only maybe BTC and leave it to trade for you, the price, as the price moves, it buys and sells without getting stuck. But when you run out of funding, that's when it accumulates and the price go down and leave you behind. So be guided by that, and I wish you all the best. And also use my link when you're signing up to Royal Q. The links are there on my video. This is the link for Royal Q here, and if you are using a mobile, this is the code you use, and I appreciate you doing that. Thank you. Have a blessed day.